Hey guys, it's Taylor, and today I'm doing Nature Vid. Yeah, this week's theme is Nature Vid. I have to use my skip, since every month we get a skip, and yeah. So, I'm gonna just show you some cool things about nature. So let's get started. Sorry, I'm kind of out of breath. I just ran here, sorta, a scooter, whatever. Scooter just one hand. So, let's get started. 1 second, sorry. So I'm covering this up. Just don't want my place to be given away. Dun dun dun. Yes. Shade, okay. So, cool thing about nature. Oh, darn it. Rocks. A cool thing about nature is that it can be extremely colorful and long and stuff. And a bee! A bee. Yeah, I freak out over bees. I hate them. Another cool thing is that nature is everywhere around you. Whee! You got that right. Nice and shady over here. I like it. Oh, look, the sprinklers are on. Anyway, it's also really awesome to be in nature. Everyone heard of something called Mother Nature? Yeah, it might be true, it might be false. Who knows? But, there was somebody who created nature, and that makes them awesome. Yeah. It's breezy out here. I love it. It's nice and hot. It's summer! Woo! School's out. Like this video if you are happy that school's out. Because I am. I'm probably waking up all my neighbors. I better not fall into poop. I'm good. Yeah, there's something also bad about nature. Dogs pooping a lot. Well, I'm not going to want to show you that, of course. No way. Let's get back to the original spot. Here. Look, you see how this beautiful flower is yellow? It's fabulous. So fabulous. Then that's really the only kind of flower that grows here. I'll take you to the flower spot. Right, that might be giving too much away. I don't know. But it's Thursday here, and I'm getting a new Cocker Spaniel. Yes, I'm waiting for a new Cocker Spaniel to arrive. I can't wait for it. And yeah, stuff happens like that. So that's kind of all I have to say for today. You want to run through sprinklers? Yeah, I'm kind of using a non-waterproof things, but I'll just put me inside the sprinklers. Let it go. In a minute. Hi guys. I'm almost at the sprinklers. I'm almost there. This is probably gonna get me wet. I know it. Sprinklers. But I just think I'm getting too close. I'm kind of actually scared of sprinklers because I'm in my pajamas. Might be TMI, but really. Yeah, I think they're coming for me. See that sprinkler? You can't see it. Oh man, it just turned off. Oh, and it starts over there. Yeah. I kind of live far from here, literally far. So I have no idea who lives in these houses. See the sprinkler? Yeah. So, I guess that's it for this episode. But first, I'm just gonna I'm just gonna run away from sprinklers. Ah! Fudge, 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 fudge. Ah! Nature's now attacking me. It's attacking me. Ah!